Imagine a charging solution that travels with you, fits seamlessly into your lifestyle and helps keep every journey worry-free. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Introducing the 3.3 kilowatt AC charging cable, your VITARA's portable charging companion. Conveniently stored in the boot space, it's ready whenever and wherever you need it. Let's take a closer look at this AC charging cable and its three key components designed for safe and convenient charging. First, the power plug, which connects to the 16-amp power outlet. Next, the control box, the intelligent hub of the charger equipped with LED indicators that communicate the charger's status in real time. And finally, the charging connector, which securely connects to your VITARA to power up your journey. Now that we have explored all the key components, let's review some essential safety precautions before the charging process. Do not attempt to disassemble, repair, bend or apply excessive force to the AC charging cable, charging connector, plug or control box. Keep the charging connector and plug free from foreign objects and do not expose them to water. After removing the charging connector, securely install the AC charging inlet cap. Having ensured all necessary safety precautions, let's understand the charging procedure. Step 1. Park the VITARA safely. Shift to P, engage the parking brake and turn off ignition before initiating charging. Step 2. Insert the AC charging cable's power plug into a 16 ampere external power outlet. The interface home indicator on the control box illuminates, confirming that the charger is connected to the power supply, while the control box indicator illuminates when the electricity is flowing to the control box. Step 3. Unlock the vehicle doors and open the charging cover slowly. Step 4. Insert charging gun firmly into the AC charging inlet. The vehicle indicator illuminates, confirming that the connector has been inserted. In case of malfunction or electrical leakage, the error warning indicator illuminates or flashes. Once connected, the AC charging connector automatically locks into the AC charging inlet. The charging indicator will illuminate to confirm charging has started. Step 5. Once charging is complete, switch off the power supply, unlock the vehicle doors to release the AC charging connector and then remove the connector from the charging inlet. Now that we've covered the charging procedure, let's review the periodic AC charging cable checks to ensure safe and reliable operation. Inspect the AC charging cable, power plug, charging connector, control unit and power outlet for any visible damage. Ensure the power plug does not overheat during charging. In the event of a fault with the AC charging cable or control box, discontinue charging and consult a Maruti Suzuki Authorized workshop. What EV car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.